How could one man take over the entire gate at Delta Airlines? Could it be entitlement or perhaps something much more concerning? On April 30th, 2024, the Atlanta Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
3703 radio, I'm 26.
Right here.
Excuse me.
Thank you. Do you mind if
There's a camera here, right?
Because you asked both my agents.
Okay.
Myself, I need him out.
Okay. Got it. What's the situation with his ticket?
And he harassed the flight attendant on board that flight as well.
Okay. What's the
He
situation?
doesn't know where he's
He
going.
came over here to complain about a different desk. He said, "Oh, can you help me because someone else was rude to me?" And she said, "Give me a minute. I'm in the middle of boarding." And then she said, "Do you have like your boarding pass and stuff?" He said, "No, my phone's dead." And then she told him to go to customer service. He said, and then he tried to get a picture of her, so she pushed down his phone very gently, just to get it out of her face.
Close
And now he's
security.
like, "Oh, she's trying to break my
Close
phone."
security, I don't care.
Okay.
So the flight attendant on that one, he was really harassing her. He tried to harass one of my passengers over there in a wheelchair.
Listen,
Along with
I
the
want to
agent,
know
he
my
had the
connected
phone
flight.
in my
She's
face.
very rude.
Sir.
What?
Look. Don't want me. Step back over there. Let me
I
talk
step
to
back over there,
her.
whatever.
I'll come to you in a second.
Yeah, sure.
Good.
He harassed the wheelchair passenger alongside another passenger. He came over there, harassed my agent and myself. And he came over here, harassed her, put the phone in her face, so the point that she had to slap the phone down. That he been harassing her, everybody nonstop.
Okay.
So I want him out.
I got you. Sir,
Don't talk to me like this.
what's nonsense is you won't give us a chance. Let me speak to her and I'll come and speak to you. You know
Okay.
what? You know what? You stay here. I'll move away. All right? Appreciate it. All right, come on. What's the situation with his ticket? Do you want it? Is he being
I'm gonna
refunded?
call him right now. Give me less than 5 seconds.
Yeah,
Because he's
let me-
gonna be refunded.
Yeah, so I know what to tell him as he's escorted out.
Hey Ron, how are you, dear? I'm good, love. I have a confirmation.
I want to get my flight.
Thank you.
If possible.
Okay, while she's taking care of that phone call, what happened, sir?
She's very rude.
Uh-huh.
She said to me, I can't get any on a flight and stuff like that. So I want to get on a flight. I want to what time I can get on a flight.
Okay,
So,
okay. How much have you had to drink, sir?
2 drinks.
2 drinks? What were they?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, no, it does. It does. This is why I'm here. If it didn't matter, I wouldn't be here.
I want to get my
You had
flight.
you had 2 drinks.
She's
What drinks?
rude.
Ma'am, excuse
She's
me.
rude.
Sir,
She's rude.
sir.
She's rude.
Is this how we're gonna do it?
Yes.
Okay, all right, lovely. Right now, sir, hold on.
problem.
Hold on. Where you going?
I want to get my flight.
Okay, you're not getting.
She's rude.
Can I speak? Okay. You're not getting on this flight right now.
I'm not getting on this
Okay.
flight. I want to get.
Can I finish speaking?
Yeah.
You're not getting on this flight right now. You're going to be asked to exit this secured section of the airport. Okay? I have a vehicle outside waiting for you because it's
For what
raining.
reason? I'm not getting on this
Sir,
flight.
sir, I'm still talking.
I'm not getting on this flight. I want to talk to the manager. This is ridiculous. I want to get on the
What's-
flight. She's
how about
rude.
your
She's
behavior is
rude.
ridiculous?
What's my behavior?
I'm
What's
here.
my behavior?
You're just going to continue cutting me off every
No,
time I
what's
say-
my behavior?
Don't say no, you're still doing it. You say no as you're doing it.
I want to get my flight. I want to get my next flight.
All right, sir, it's not happening.
Well,
Okay? But-
I'll talk to the manager.
All right. Let me know when I can speak. Are you finished?
Yeah, I'm finished.
You sure? Okay. It's not happening right now due to your behavior. Can I finish?
What's my behavior?
You're intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated. I want to get not on this flight. I want to get a different flight. I want to
Due
get.
to your behavior and how you treated these individuals, it's not happening today.
What about how they treat me?
It's not happening today.
Oh, like,
Okay.
You know what? I have a video how they
Yeah,
treat
hold
me.
on to your video. Exactly. You hold on to that. But due to your
I want to
behavior,
get on my flight, and they won't give me on my flight.
this is why we should watch how much we consume. Ladies and gentlemen, for reasons just like this. They're working on it.
So his ticket has been refunded
Okay.
and suspended. So he won't be flying on Delta.
ever again.
It's not this
Beautiful.
flight. I'm not
All
getting on
right.
this
What's
flight.
his name? Do you have what's his name?
This flight. I want to go.
Okay, you have to leave this.
I'm not
You
gonna
have to leave this. Hold on,
I'm
sir.
not gonna leave. I'm gonna.
Sir,
no.
it's not. You're not going to tell me how this works.
I want to talk to your manager, whatever.
No.
So I want to get on my flight. My flight is not here.
Mr. Cash, at this point, you cannot get on this flight or any.
I'm not getting on this flight.
Right,
You try it. You try it. You try it.
When did they rebook him for?
There's no rebooking.
Okay,
He's
so we
banned
got-
from
I'm
Delta.
not supposed.
Right, you're not
try,
able.
you
So you're
try,
gonna.
you
When
try.
did they rebook him for?
There's no rebooking.
Okay, so
He's
we've got
banned
to
from
take
Delta.
him out.
I'm not full Salt Lake Place C.
Okay, come on.
Banned from Delta.
Take him
He's
out.
gotta
Okay,
leave.
let's
Okay,
go.
okay,
Where'd you
sure.
park at?
I'm not gonna park. I wanna see.
No. At this point, we've got to take you out of a secure area.
No,
Okay?
I wanna.
You're not detained.
No, I wanted to go to manager.
No,
I'm not going on this
Come on,
flight.
let's go. Let's go.
I'm not
Out.
going on this flight.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Come on. Yeah.
I'm not going on this flight.
That's what we're saying. You're not going on the flight. But we've got to take you out of a secure area because
No.
Delta's not letting you fly at all.
Why is that?
I have no idea. I'm
Okay,
just coming
so-
on the scene. I think Campbell had tried to explain to you. Excuse us. Excuse us. Go to the left. Thank you. All right, go ahead. Just take your time going down those steps. Can you?
No, I wanted to go to the manager and see if I can get on
Well,
a
we're
flight.
taking you. You can go and rebook a flight.
I'm not going to book the flight. I'm going to go to a flight.
No,
flight.
no, no, no.
I'm not going to this flight here.
No, let's go. Go.
Okay. Listen, I'm going here. I'm going to go to my flight connected flight. So you're not going to take me here. For what reason?
First of all, your flight has been canceled. Delta is not allowing you to fly with them.
Why
You
is
no
that?
longer have a boarding pass, probably because you're intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated.
All
You
right.
open the door. Come and get in. Get in. And we're taking you out of a secure area. Get in the car or you're going to be arrested. Let's go.
Arrested for what?
Sir, let's go. Get in the car. In the car.
Arrested for what?
In the car.
Arrested for what?
Because you're not listening. Obstruction.
Disorderly conduct under the influence.
Let's go. Get in the car. Get in the car.
We'll give your ride to the front. Go in the airport to the front. Go ahead and cover Airlines. You can no longer.
Get him. Go ahead and cuff him. Get him.
Hey,
Go
woman.
ahead and cuff him. Go ahead and cuff him. I got it. Yeah, get him in the car.
God.
That's it. I got him.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. All right.
There we go. Got it.
Put your hand
To the
behind your
radio,
back.
show one resisting.
Sir, put your hand behind your back. Oh my God.
Okay, hold on. I got it.
Oh my God.
I got it.
Sir, this doesn't have to be this way. Put your hand behind your back. Okay?
Oh my God.
Hold on. Get on your stomach.
I don't do
On your
anything.
stomach.
Sir,
Okay, I got this. I got it.
I have to move my.
Go ahead, pull that
That's
up.
crazy.
You were
I'm
attempting to
tasing you.
put cuffs on.
I'm tasing.
Listen, I don't do anything.
Just
I
go
will
ahead and
tase
get
you.
the cuffs on. You
Turn
got it.
around. Put your
Put
hands
the
behind
cuffs
you.
on. Put on the cuff. Come on.
I can't believe it.
You had it. Just put the cuff on. Pull his arm.
Okay, no problem.
Put it on.
No problem.
Put the cuff on.
What did I do? I didn't do anything.
Grant, Campbell, just put the cuffs on.
I didn't do anything.
Okay. Now, we got that.
Give me your arm, sir.
I got it.
Oh my God, I can't believe it.
Yep.
Radio, go ahead and show one the cuffs.
Stand up.
I can't do it.
Stand up!
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Go get in the
Wait, I can't like.
We're coming back for your stuff.
This is crazy.
Get your feet in.
I got my stuff. I got my stuff.
There you go. You don't want him? All right.
That's crazy.
Throw it in the trunk.
You can't open it unless the car's on.
Oh. Yeah, let me just.
Am I in two lanes? Forget it.
That's nonsense.
You caused it. Let's
I
go.
didn't cause it.
You did.
You
did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
I didn't. I want to get my luggage.
You go into jail now.
Jail for what?
Okay, I need you to just stand here.
I stand here. Stop
Stand
it.
up. Stand up.
Stop it.
Stand up. All this unnecessary.
This is unnecessary.
These are mines, by the way, McGrath.
Okay.
So when you come back from the...
This is not yours, kid.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.